Hi, I'm Alex Coker, and we're going to try out two new products. I've got the Beard King Beard Bib that I got for Christmas, and also got the MANSCAPED the Beard Hedger with a beard comb. And we're going to try these two out today. On the Beard Bib, it says, "Fear the beard, not the mess." Do you dread the burden of cleaning up after grooming your facial hair? This hairy situation can be very messy and time-consuming task. Fear no more. The Beard Bib is the only grooming tool that eliminates manual cleanup and allows for an easy disposal. And basically, it's supposed to have a bib with two suction cups. You do your business there in front of the sink, and then you undo the suction cups from your mirror and dump it in the trash. And we're going to see how easy that is today. Also, we're going to open this bad boy up. The Beard Hedger by the Manscaped. And it says one epic shave. It's a coreless DC motor with a 41mm titanium coated blade. And take the wheel. It's got 20 different lengths and a setting, so it's not a whole bunch of different clamps that you clip on. It's just basically a wheel that goes up and down with 20 settings. The power move, it's a lithium battery, offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, and tri-level charge indicator tells you when the beard hedger needs some juice. The Born Ready, so the super durable and waterproof. The beard hedger shines in the shower and on the go. Just because I can use it in the shower does not mean I'm going to do that. I'm going to basically keep that outside, do that here in front of the sink. We're going to open these things up and see what they're all about. Nice. Nice. So I've got my new Beard King Beard Bib put on. It says this side up. Again, it's got a built-in zipper pocket, and you just take these two suction cups, put it on the mirror to catch your beard hair. I'm also going to use that to shave my head as well. This is the Manscaped Beard Hedger. It's got a whole bunch of different settings, a total of 10 settings, but in between the 10 settings, it goes from 0.5 millimeter up to 10 millimeters, a total of 20 settings. I'm going to put it all the way to the highest setting though. And then also, as far as using it, it's got a dial here, lets you know how much power you have left. And to clean it, you just take that off. And the blade here also pops off for cleaning. You just wash these two out and let them dry. It says do not use a towel or anything like that. Just let it dry. And to put it back on, you just simply push this in. It pops in, and then you click that back in to make that work. And again, that's the Manscaped Beard Hedger. To start off, I'm going to go ahead and with the blade off and give that a whirl and start trimming up everything I have here. Well, I've completed shaving my head, my ears, and my beard. Now it's time to take this Beard King Beard Bib and let it do its work. I got a decent chunk of hair there that I chopped off. And now you just undo the suction cups and pour it in the trash. No mess in the sink, which is great. So the cape caught everything. Now I'm just gonna shake this out. And pour it in the trash. Just got through shaving my head, face there, and the neck. Now I'm going to go and use the Everyman Jack beard oil. And that's the pointed beard or the ducktail beard. Hope this helps somebody out. Stay safe.